Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll do a Miniso haul. I didn't buy all this stuff at once. I kept visiting once in a while and keep buying one or two things. So let me show you what all I got. First thing I got this recently are these cotton pads. They're pretty nice, soft and gentle touch, perfect for cosmetic needs. There are about 180 sheets in this and it is for 150 rupees only. So I really liked it. So I mean, the way, you know, they are so soft. I don't know if you can see it. Also, if you want to know how I got this look, then check out the video here or here. And then I got this bag, a tan color bag, which is so handy, like when you want to go shopping or you want to, you know, just quickly take a bag. And although it just has a button like this, it does not have a zip, but you know, sometimes you just want to quickly just take a small stylish bag for shopping or something like that. So I got this. I was always looking for this tan color simple bag. And then I got these eyelashes, slim eyelashes. They are so light and so why am I looking there? They're so light and feathery, and you know, let me show you close. This is how it looks. Cute, right? I haven't worn them much, but yeah, sometimes when I have the patience to wear eyelashes, I do. Okay, then I bought this recently. This is the travel pack. You know, you can put shampoo, conditioner, toners and some other stuff, your serum, creams and everything in this. It's good for travel. And this is for how much? 190 rupees. And I got this during Christmas, these cute little clips, which I also wore for a video, and they're so cute, right? There were a lot of other designs also. So I got this. And then, oh, you already must be knowing about this towel gloves. So cute, so soft. I use it when I want to dry my hair before applying conditioner. Again, I'm looking there, yeah. So I got these gloves. And then I got some of these spiral rubber bands, which are so, you know, good for tying up your hair without letting it you know, have those curls and everything. So this is really good. I bought nearly 3 or 4 of them come in one pack, so I bought them. And then along with those eyelashes, I bought these eyelash holder to press the eyelashes after you put it. And then I got two of them come in one pack. So I got these flamingos pop sockets. I've already spoken about these pop sockets a lot in the other video, and they are 2 or 3 of them in one pack, and they are so sturdy, they don't fall off, or the gum here is so you know, effective. Got these brushes also. They're pretty soft and nice. So one, you know, you can use it for the crease or trying to do your under eyes, or maybe spot correct your face. And this one you can use it as a blending brush, or even, you know, for concealer and things like that. And yeah, that's it. It was really quick. Actually, the light is about to, you know, it's getting too dark, so I thought I'll quickly do this video and show you what all I got from Miniso. I hope you liked it. If you like it, then click on the subscribe button and the like button and the share button and all the buttons. Bye.